Good day, YouTubers. I came across this video on YouTube, and it was talking about this ancient scrolls that were discovered and all the writing that were on this scroll. And what captured my eye was the text that was on those scrolls. And they were showing all kind of different text, but this one they were showing Xhosa language. I actually identify some few words in Xhosa, and that's what I've highlighted in this video. So I thought let me just share this real quick with you all, so you can see words that are in Xhosa, just to show the original scrolls were in Xhosa language. Okay, so go ahead and you will see a few of them. I mean, look at this one right here. I've underlined them. Okay, I've underlined them. Nuana. Nuana is like something small. So, but I can't really read that handwriting. It's really, some kind of handwriting. But I can see some words like Ayona. I think Ayona Kone, I don't know say what that is, but Aeon, I could see Ayona there, which means the real one, the real, which means Aeon. And then Noyana. Noyana is a Noyana, like there's even a song in Xhosa. So Noyana e Jerusalem, like are you coming to? Noyana means are you coming to? Okay. So I could see those clear three words, but I mean another closer person can actually see some more words, but they only show that little bitty snippets into the from the scrolls. So, but then the other scrolls they were showing upside down, the same language but upside down. So if it's a handwriting that's a little clearer, then they'll make it upside down. So and they say no, it's an Arabic whatever, and and you can see that if you could turn those scrolls up, but now it's the TV and you can't really turn it upside down. And actually try to analyze word for word. And in other scrolls, they'll just change the whole fonts and everything to be totally different language. Okay, so now there you are. I just want to share this with you real quick. Bye.
That various mistranslations over the centuries have misreported other key facts about